Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Zonics.ca. I really love the hero images, I really love the sliding images. Remember to optimize them further by adding taglines such as shop our accessories, shop our phone covers, and then add call to action like this one to each image linking to the relevant collection so people can click and shop, which will help your conversion rate further. Okay, so you've got trending products here, which is perfect. Featured item looks excellent. And you've got plenty of content inviting to browse. The footer looks great. I would use just a blank color as a background because as you can see, the text are quite difficult to read against a busy background. And you can use this image as an image within the sliding banner or as a hero image because it's a beautiful picture. It just doesn't work as the footer background. However, you've got share, social share elements here, and you've got trust signal, so that's perfect.